If it is happened in Gujarat or any other state in the UP or Delhi, they will not keep silent. Today we are organizing by Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee to condemn and protest against the nature of the India government at the center. You know yesterday what is happening in Parliament. In a democratic country, you don't understand opposition, whether it may be India or anywhere in the world. Opposition always process against the policy of the government. On the contrary, this present ruling government headed by Shri Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, what is happening there yesterday in Parliament. So against that we are protest and condemn against the India government at the center, and they are unnecessarily allegation made to the Honorable President All India Congress Committee Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji. So we are condemning against that act of Shri Modi and Amit Shah, Home Minister, and also the Rahul ji also unnecessarily they are alleging that he is pushed or something like that. Is unnecessarily they are alleging to leader of the opposition, Lok Sabha, Shri Rahul ji also. No, that is a wrong allegation. See, it is shameful. This BJP ruling government, they are filing FIR against Rahul ji. Whether it is happened anywhere in the world, it is shameful. What Rahul ji has done, has committed any mistake, so they are filing. Whom they are filing? To the NDA government, to the Amit Shah, they are filing. They should have to be filed against Amit Shah. Only to make comment from our side, whatever decided by our AICC and the India bloc that will follow us. And that is not yet any response from the present India government center. So it is too long to take. In the Delhi also what we allegation that if whatever happening here in Manipur, if it is happened in in Gujarat or any other state in the UP or Delhi, they will not keep silent. That is whom he is charging. Central agency, we always respect whether NIA or whether CBI, whether ED. These people, we thought that they are neutral agency. Whatever they submit to the union government or to the court, they are investigating agency. Whatever finding on the spot, they will investigate and they will report to the government or to the competent authority. It may be called either charge sheet or the investigating report. That accordingly, final decision will take either by the union government or by the competent court.
But he said it's creating problems. I mean, there is creating confusions between the state and
who are entrusting to this central agency by the union government or the state government. They are entrusting thorough investigation to the Enforcement Directorate or CBI or NIA, who are entrusting that one.